If Canva is giving you an upload error with an SVG file, don't worry, because in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to fix it step by step. This is a super common issue, especially when the SVG file has too many effects, filters, or extra layers that Canva doesn't like. The good news is, you can usually solve it in just a few minutes. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple tech tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump right in. The first thing you should try is a quick refresh. Sometimes the problem isn't the file itself, and it's just a temporary loading issue in your browser or Canva session. On Windows, press Ctrl and R to refresh the page. If you're on a Mac, use Command and R. After the page reloads, try uploading the SVG again and see if the error disappears. If that doesn't work, the next step is to simplify the SVG file. A lot of SVG upload errors happen because the file contains complex effects, filters, gradients, clipping masks, or other advanced elements that Canva may not support properly. Open the SVG in your design software or vector editor, then remove any unnecessary effects or filters. Try to make the file as clean and simple as possible, then save it again and upload the new version into Canva. In many cases, that alone is enough to fix the issue. If Canva is still rejecting the SVG, the fastest workaround is to convert it into a PNG file. This is especially useful if you just need the graphic uploaded and you don't absolutely need it to stay as a vector. Export the SVG as a PNG from your editor, then go back to Canva and upload the PNG instead. Since PNG files are much more universally supported, this often gets around the upload error right away. Another thing to check is the file size. If the SVG is too large, Canva may struggle to process it, especially if it contains a lot of detail or embedded data. Try reducing the file size by removing unnecessary elements, flattening the design, or exporting a lighter version of the image. Then upload it again and test whether Canva accepts it. If the file is still not working after that, it's a good idea to test a different SVG file to see whether the issue is with one specific file or with SVG uploads in general. If other SVGs work fine, then the original file is likely the problem. At that point, the best fix is usually to simplify the original design or convert it to PNG. So to recap, if you get a Canva SVG upload error, start by refreshing the page, then simplify the SVG by removing complex effects and filters, save and upload again, convert it to PNG if needed, and check the file size to make sure it isn't too large. Those steps solve most SVG upload problems in Canva very quickly. If this tutorial helped, please tap like, subscribe for more helpful tutorials, and I'll see you in the next video.